All right, guys, we are super excited to be out here today at beautiful, sunny Fremont Skate Park with Dave.
What's going on, everybody?
From Punisher Skateboards. What do we got going on here today, Dave?
We got a box of goodies.
We got a box of goodies?
We're gonna give it away to the worst board here.
Worst board? I think we might even have more than a board in here.
Yeah.
Should we check it out?
Yeah, let's do it.
I would open this in a fashion that I usually do, but I feel like I'm going to injure myself and or Dave. So we're just gonna take this nice and easy. Oh wow, here we go.
Why do you never consider my injury when you're opening boxes like that?
Exactly.
Yeah!
Got him! All right, let's go. Let's go. What do we got in here? Wrapping paper? Oh boy. Some kid's gonna be super stoked on this t-shirt. Something about a skate park, the second you open anything, watch, in 5 seconds we'll have 300 kids. Can I have that? Can I have that? How high can you ollie? Can I have that? Can I have that? How many bearings do you have? Can I have that? Can I have that? Just kidding. I love everybody.
Yeah.
So we got a Punisher t-shirt right here, super rad. It's a nice thick t-shirt.
Yeah, it's one of our newer designs.
It's awesome. And then, what's this?
Box of wheels.
A box of wheels.
Ooh!
Those look pretty cool.
That said it all. Those look pretty cool. Somebody's gonna win those. You think they should have to do a trick to win these?
Definitely.
Exactly. At least like a 360 flip front feeble down the 7-star handrail.
Agreed. You got that?
I can do bull tricks.
Deal. We have grip tape for the skateboard. Oh man, you're really hooking them up. Punisher trucks. These are amazing. Look at that. White trucks. I forget what you call that. Embossed?
I think so.
Embeveled?
Bevel.
Embeveled.
Beveled? Leave it in the comments below if you know what that's called, because I don't. And somehow these are like ice cold.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel that.
Oh, wow. Ice cold.
We're literally on the surface of the sun, and somehow those trucks are super cold. Then what we got in here?
Box of bearings.
A box of bearings. Wow, a bin within a box. I really gotta say, I'm really digging all your guys' packaging.
Right?
Yeah, it looks awesome, super awesome.
Whoa.
ABEX 7, precision bearings. You even have the spacers in there. Come on. Like he said, those look great. Live studio audience. Hardware to put together your board. And then last but not least, I really wanna talk about this board here a little bit, because we got a lot going on with this. You think you could do your tricks on this?
Yeah.
Oh what, you thought we were like skating like a piece of toast. Yeah, we're actually skating an actual skateboard. He knows.
He does know.
He knows.
He does.
So you designed this shape.
Yeah, definitely had a hand in it. It's definitely unique in its own way. You know, the slight corners give you a pretty nice advantage when it comes to your scoops. It's nice having the slight corners symmetrical on both sides.
Oh, so it's literally the exact same shape from the nose to the tail.
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible. And again, you have this right there.
Yeah, our little
I
marking.
never noticed that before.
No?
Was that on the other
Whoa.
board?
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
on
that
every
looks
one of the
awesome.
boards.
Oh, because I think they were all gripped, and that's why.
Yeah.
Let's put that grip tape on. We gotta cut around that. Okay,
Yeah.
I have a question, because right here, it's like not like a normal board, just like curves over, but right here, it's like, it's more of a
it's
flat
actually
edge.
it's actually an A-frame this way as well.
Whoa.
It's a little feature we threw in there.
Oh, an A-frame like, okay,
Yeah.
so it's cut
Oh,
up
wow.
and then cut down on the edges.
Yeah,
Amazing.
kinda just like the nose and tail are. It's a nice little feature.
I feel like the A-frame does something too scientific that I can't explain, but I know it does something.
Same. I feel like if Batman were to ride a skateboard, he would tray flip this one.
Well, he would tray flip every skateboard, but he'd tray flip better on this one.
There you go.
Because he's Batman.
And because it's more aerodynamic.
And you know, having this square tail, you know, once you get past the visual difference, I really feel like this is a board that every skater will be able to appreciate and get behind, you know? And having the square tail, I feel is a great reminder to, you know, for the tricks that you need to keep your foot centered on, so it doesn't shove it this way or shove it that way.
Yeah. So the concave on this feels a little different. Tell me everything.
Yeah, it's actually got a pretty amazing concave. All Punisher boards have different levels of concave. Some people like a flatter board.
Yeah.
Some people like some serious concave. So we offer all different levels.
If you don't know what concave is, it's this right here. It is how the board bends down right there in the middle. It kind of generally flattens out like that and then goes like that. So
Yeah.
sometimes that's very flat and sometimes it's very ramped.
Yeah.
This is kind of an in-between middle situation here.
Yeah, this one is especially.
And it's cool because the way it flattens out on the sides, it does kind of make it a little bit more flat
Yeah.
with also having more concave. It's like,
Right. And what made me feel like I could really get behind this is that I've actually relearned things on this shape. These corners help me, for example, like my hard flips.
Yeah.
I could never get my back foot in the right spot. But with this shape,
helps you to put it right in the pocket.
yeah, it lets you know exactly where to place your foot.
Yeah, the pocket is like not right directly on the center of the tail, not right here. pocket.
Exactly.
Boom.
Yeah.
In case you didn't know what the pocket was, it's not just for jeans.
Yeah, so like I said, it's a great learning board whether you're just starting out or you've been skateboarding for years. You know, this is a great board to learn or relearn some tricks.
And it's super strong.
Yeah.
Not even Superman could break it with his laser vision.
Nah, not even.
Is that what he breaks things with? Laser vision or X-ray vision?
He has both.
Leave it in the comments below. All right, so I think this is the point where we walk around the board and we say, hey, do a trick. You could win this skateboard.
And this board is actually called the Striped. You can find it on punisherskateboards.com.
Boom.
Boom.
Let's go. Who's got tricks? Who's got tricks? Who's got tricks?
Me.
What do you got? Superpowered.
Bull tricks.
Pool?
No bull.
I didn't know we had swimming here.
Yeah, we did.
Where?
Right across the area.
Not the big bowl, right?
Sure, I'll drop into the big bowl.
Yes.
Oh,
Great
no.
idea. Yeah.
Bad
let's do it.
idea.
Well,
Bad
that's
idea.
Great.
I got 180.
Way to drop into the big bowl. Oh no, no. Oh no.
Oh no, the board.
Ice cold. Too bad we didn't bring shoes. Oh wait.
Oh my god. I can barely drop it.
How in the world?
That was amazing. Well done. How old are you?
9.
Who is this guy?
Braille team rider number 378,500, Mowgli! But he doesn't have the worst board, so he gets nothing.
Yeah.
Who's got another trick?
You need to look at boards, man.
Wait, let me see your board.
Okay.
Ooh, it's pretty good. We already got one. This is the worst board, though. We're gonna come back to this. For real. You got a good trick. Did you get some? Did you get stickers?
Yeah, you
Okay,
gave me
you
some.
did. What did you got a trick for us?
Gotta look at it. I can drop in.
Drop in where? Into the big bowl? Great. Just kidding.
I'm coming.
Whoa! Wait, I got your back. This is one trick I can do.
I can barely.
You got it, you got it.
Do it.
You got it. Oh, wait, let me get this. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey! That's my cousin. I guess Nigel once hit the handrail.
I got you, Nigel.
That boy good. Mowgli? Wow.
All right, let's look at some more boards.
We go over there. Oh, let me see your board. Let's see, what do we got here? Crooked. Nice trucks, though. Nice wheels. You got a trick for me? A trick.
A trick.
Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium. Oh, so
Wow.
we need to speak Belgionian. But a trick or back.
Maybe 5-0 on that.
For real? If you 5-0 that ledge, I'll give you a t-shirt. Okay.
Okay.
Deal.
That is nice.
Yeah. Just give them back to the community, you know? How we roll.
Belgionian.
We even got...
Belgionian.
Yeah, it's a language that they speak in Belgium.
Oh yeah, you got that.
You get as many tries as you want. But if you don't land it on this next one, I get to break your board.
Then you can just give him a new one.
Oh, boy! Dang. All right, this one right here for Tupac.
Yeah!
Woo! Woohoo! What size are you?
Medium.
Great, because this is a large. Welcome to America.
Thank you.
Americans wear larger t-shirts. Everything in America is bigger.
Let's
Who's
move.
got a trick?
Let's move.
You
Let's move.
already did a trick. One more try for my friend Mowgli.
Mowgli, if you don't land it, you're fired.
He was this close to going back to being a mall security guard. Where should we go
If he
next?
didn't land that, he was gonna get punished. Check out these boards over here.
Hey, can I see your board?
Oh yeah, for sure.
What do you got?
Oh
Oh my god, dude, you need.
Are you okay?
You good?
What is this?
it's a mythic board.
It is
Yeah.
literally broken, Aaron. Look, it's cracked, right there.
For real.
What
do you
have
got
you
for
been
us
doing?
Oh, just board slides.
Where?
Okay.
Down the 7th stair?
No, I'm not from here actually.
Where are you from?
Utah.
Oh, I was gonna say Hawaii.
Hawaii. Oh, I used to.
Really?
I used to be from Hawaii, but I moved to Utah not too long ago.
This is a super
So, yeah.
interesting shape.
Yeah, it's like from this like local company, like local Utah company. So, shout out to Mythic Skateboards. I mean, it lasted pretty long.
Straight up shout out.
Yeah.
So where do you want a board slide?
I was trying to hit that thing right there.
There is no try, my friend. There is do or do not. Right, Dave? Let him know.
I'm gonna hit that thing right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Board slide?
No,
Okay.
No, 50.
50?
Yeah.
Now you're getting serious. Relax a little bit. Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Let's go. That's okay. We're taking as many tries as we need to get this.
Oh!
You good, bro? Wait, hold on a second. How tall are you?
6'2".
6'2"? I'm 6'2". Do I
No
really
way.
look that tall?
All right, let's take it off.
Yeah.
Am I really that tall?
Yeah.
I was like, this is the tallest person I've ever seen in my entire life, and now I'm that tall.
He's from
Is
Utah.
that really what I look like?
Yeah.
Dude.
He's from Utah.
Yes.
That's
He's
so
actually
sick.
from Hawaii. He's trying to lie to you.
Whoa.
You're
Yeah.
from Utah?
Huh?
You're from Utah?
I've only been there once, and it was just to drive through to go to Colorado.
Where you're from Colorado?
Nah, spiritually.
Where are you from?
Bakersfield.
No stress, no worries.
Look at Uzi. What is he doing? There you go.
You got this, brother.
Oh!
We said go fast and commit. Next level, go fast and commit.
That was almost amazing.
Yeah! That boy good! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh! Let's go.
That was worth at least a set of bearings. Here you go.
Oh, what kind of bearings are these?
Punisher.
Whoa.
Sick, right?
Dang, I've never seen anything this fancy in my life.
That's for you.
Thanks, man.
I'm
Maybe
pretty
we'll
sure
let
I
Alex
did
do that.
find actually the worst board in the park.
Oh, good.
I'm just not sure. We're trying to figure out what trick we're gonna do here. What's your name?
Dominic.
Look at his board though. Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh, what happened to your
We
skateboard?
got crayon on the grip tape. What's in there? What's
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
what
top
is
of
that?
What is that?
I don't know what that is.
We don't even know what that is.
Like a carbon fiber ply or something?
I don't know. I have no idea. So I was thinking, you know, he's just a beginner skateboarder, but I was thinking he could ollie that gap. And he looked at
Are
me
you really
like
good at ollies?
I was on another planet.
He's gonna go around the snake run, and then on his way back he's gonna ollie up.
Okay, if you get that ollie, this board is yours, my man.
All right, whenever you're ready. Bring it around town.
Oh, dude, you got it. Go ahead, give it a rebate. Just stay on there, no matter what.
Go ahead, you got it. Mose! Full send! Yeah, you just gotta stay on, right?
Times like this, sometimes life gives you lemons, and you just gotta keep your foot on the lemon. You know what I mean?
The lemon will get
Just
dirty.
literally leave your feet on there. Then you can eat the lemon.
You got it, G.
Clearly doesn't know how to skate a snake run. You're supposed to go down, not over.
What in the world?
That's why they call him Mowgli.
Just stay on.
Oh! What, you didn't like that? Want to do it again?
Yeah, I won't.
Why? I thought that was good. Sometimes you gotta believe in yourself.
I believe in yourself.
What?
I said I believe in yourself.
For what?
Why can't you just accept it? Why do you have to ask something? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Jeez.
Thank you.
Gosh. I take it back.
Right on, dude.
You're the best.
It's just the fear factor. He's got to get over it. It's a mental factor. He's got this. He just needs to keep the feet on.
Hey, Nigel.
Let's go!
Nigel!
This is possible.
Here you go, dude. That's the grip tape. Put on the grip tape. Enjoy that skateboard. I want to see you next time. And next time, we're going to 360 flip the 5-stair. Maybe even 360 flip late flip. Okay?
Good job, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Did it?
Nice.
It's a
Changing
giveaway.
lives out here. We still have wheels, hardware, and trucks. He
He
says,
deserves wheels just for that split.
okay, let's do another trick. You're going to drop in on this?
Yeah, sure.
Right here?
Yeah, so I would drop it here, then carve there, and then I could do air there.
Drop in here, carve there, air there. What do you think, Dave?
I like it.
Set of trucks?
I like it.
You gotta land it first try though. And if you don't, I will personally do the splits.
Okay, you better, or else you owe me the trucks if you don't do.
I didn't agree to that, but okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, Gabe. Get him to chill out a little
You
bit.
should do the splits anyways for that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll do the splits. For you, my friend.
Okay.
There you go.
Use those trucks well.
Just kidding. I actually think I tore a hole in my... No! Do not! Do not do that! I mean, he really wants the wheels. He's begging for the wheels, but what do you got for a trick? This is not a free ride. What do you got?
What are you good at?
This is
You
like
can
me.
do it.
Okay, if you had pants that were 900 times bigger, you would be me at 12. Stairs.
Wow.
When I was 12, I love stairs. He's got this. Let's go. Right here for first try. And a Jamba Juice and wheels. You got it. You got it.
That's cool.
This kid's like the ramp champ.
Oh, that was it!
Woohoo! It's like a young Tony Hawk in the making. Let's go! Well done. It's all yours, dude. It's all yours. Well played. There's even some hardware in there if you know where to find it. Hey, I'll trade you.
Yes. Okay,
You
deal.
killed it.
That was the worst trade ever. What are you doing?
Well, we gave everything away.
I'm trying to straight flip this hip roller.
Straight from the hip. Gabe, hold my cellular device. If my mom calls, tell her I love her. I gotta warm up.
Get my hips straight.
Do some tricks over the hip, Mowgli. Hello. Chill out.
Oh, Joe! Joe, no! Joe! Are you okay? Oh my god!
What happened?
You almost died. There you go, Dan.
Thank you so much. That was super fun.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
And thanks for coming out here and
you.
giving all this incredible stuff to helping the children of Fremont.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Remember, go to punisherskateboards.com. Check it out.
Let's go! Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, even you can learn how to skateboard. Go and do it.